Good morning everyone. Today we are on an absolute adventure from sunrise to hopefully sunset, and we are going to be shooting hopefully absolutely everything, getting some amazing cinematics, which is the goal. And right now we're chasing the sunrise. We'll get moving. The sun hasn't risen yet. It's like 6 a.m. and yeah, we're trying to get to this beautiful spot at this Eagle Rock where we'll hopefully get a sick photo, maybe rip the drone. Let's go. Alright, this is the goal right now. We've sent Alan off to try and get on the Eagle Rock, which is there. He's struggling a little bit, but I'm sure he'll work it out. We need to set up to try and get the shot right now. And we got like 4 or 5 minutes to try and get this done, so cutting it close. But let's try and get to the spot if I remember where it is. And yeah, let's get this banger. Alright, so now we did some shooting for Colgate, so I'm actually doing a little collab with Colgate, which is a bit interesting. I'll post what we end up shooting here. Would you go through all this for a single photo? First we drive to Royal National Park, set up a tent, wake up at 5 a.m, and then we drive our way to the trailhead, get ready for a 3-kilometer hike in the dark, hike while we witness the amazing first light, and after all that we finally reach the spot. Then we set up the tripod, put the ND filter on, and now we wait for the sunrise. While waiting, I choose greatness every time with Colgate Total. Its 12-hour protection never lets me down. When the sun finally rises, I got a few minutes to nail this shot, and after all that and a long hike home, this is the shot we got. Let me know if it's worth it. But now is time for some absolute drone rips. I'm a bit anxious because I want to fly all the way down there. I'm not sure you can see that probably, but yeah, there's a twin waterfall, and waterfalls into the ocean are fairly rare in the world, so gotta send it down there. And yeah, obviously if I crash, it is gone forever, so fingers crossed. Let's get in the zone and try and get some bangers. While I was flying, I saw this potential line of flight. I was going to zip past my boy here, and as you can see, there's a waterfall in the back, dive down there and be an insane clip. So we got another battery and we went for round 2. So I think that shot was pretty sick, but I realized I could go behind the waterfall, and then we started getting pretty risky. So that was a freaking insane flight. I did this insane line where I zipped past Hallie and I dived the waterfall. I think it turned out pretty good. And yeah, we got like 3.5 Ks to get our asses home right now. So yeah, let's get on the way. We might be catching a sunset, I'm not sure, but I'll see you in the next scenes. In the afternoon, we actually did go to this train tunnel, but I was so tired I could not be bothered vlogging. I actually shot a little collaboration for this Instax printer, and here's the final deliverable. Honestly, I've always wanted one of these so I can print any photo from my phone. But anyway, that's why I caught a sunrise for a new day. But yeah, it's just me today because one of my boys dogged me. It is what it is, but yeah, we're gonna try and do our best filming some FPV solo, because a lot of the time I like having a subject. I like ripping it past someone's head, which you probably shouldn't do. But yeah, I like someone to have some scale within the nature, so we'll hopefully maybe do some sick dives or whatnot. We need to try and get creative today, and I think I might also take you through me shooting an IG reel perhaps. But yeah, that is the agenda. Let's absolutely get this going and see what the day brings us. Alright, so we are on the beach. This is the state of the sunrise. Can't really see much, but hopefully it's gonna light up. We're here about 10 minutes early. This is the beautiful Tarameta beach. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Basically just a beautiful beach, and I think I'll go around this rock corner. I think there are a few rock cliffs over there, so we might try that out, doing some dives. Maybe we'll get a long kind of line, just like zooming through the beach. And the swell looks a little bit legit this morning. I don't want to lose the drone, but yeah, we'll see what we get up to and get some cinematics. Oh man, we've got some glow out there. You can't really tell on the camera, but it looks freaking beautiful. We're gonna have to definitely do a line across here, because that looks so sick. And man, what a beautiful morning. Get wrecked to my friend the 5th who dogged me. This is gorgeous, man. Alright, I need to shut up now. Let's let the nature do the talking.
This sunrise was unbelievable, and I actually spotted some rockfishes out in the distance, and I wanted to try and get an orbit of them, so we gave it a go, but I really didn't want to get tangled in their line because that would mean imminent drone disaster. I also asked this random guy next to me if he was willing to pose for my drone and let me fly almost 70 kilometers over his head, and he was happy to do so, so shout out to Danuka. I want to do a few more cliff dives and fly really close. These are how those shots turned out.
About the audio quality, I need to speak a lot louder, but man, I think we got some epic FPV lines this morning. My god, there was so many times I flew like 10 inches above the water. I was very anxious not to get swept by a wave, but I think we did a good job. The drone is intact in one piece. We made a new mate, and I think we got a cool Instagram reel out of it. But yeah, if you enjoyed the adventure, I'm sorry if the audio sucks right now. Again, I chucked my mic in a freaking puddle of water, which is very stupid. I hope it still works. But if you enjoyed, leave a like, leave a sub. We're going to be doing more traveling, more FPV, more photography, more videography, bunch of everything. I'll see you in the next one.